So general liability insurance policy, every business really needs to have one, kind of like car insurance. You don't really need it unless you need it. And when you do need it, you're glad you have it. Um, Insurance policy for a general liability insurance policy for a business protects you against any lawsuits or claims or anything like that that someone could bring against you, especially if you have a store, restaurant, somewhere where people come in and conduct business. You really want to have a liability policy then, because if someone falls and hurts themselves or something happens during the course of business, if they sue you, they're going to most likely sue you up into your limited liability limits. And you won't have to pay it because you have insurance. It's really good to have. For those of you who work from home or you work on through your website and sell products, things like that. Some people choose not to. I always suggest to get one. They're not really that expensive. There are some out there for like $100 a month, 120, 150 a month. But it's very good to have in the event there are any legal liability issues or anything like that that pop up, then you will be covered. Most likely you're covered as long as your liability insurance policy covers it. Then you'll be covered on anything that could arise. Now, it's completely up to you. There are thousands of businesses that operate without a general liability insurance policy. Those businesses usually work from home. Whenever you have an actual location, a lot of times the owners or the management company will expect you to have a policy and they will ask for a copy of it. To get it, you just jump on Google, type in commercial general liability policy, and multiple options will pop up. Just select one, give them a call, fill out their form, and then they're going to ask you questions about your business, and then they'll come back with a quote for you so that you can get started. And usually they let you pay monthly for your policy, and your building that you're in may want 500,000, $1 million, 2 million policy, things like that. So you just make sure you let the insurance company know that. For those of you who decide to operate without it, it is risky. Work from home. A lot of people don't have it, like I said, but it is risky because if you get sued, that insurance policy should be able to come into effect and prevent any lawsuits or anything like that. So you want to be very careful how you conduct your business. Don't offer something that you can't deliver. Don't sell something that is not going to be exactly what you say it is. So if you're selling, kitchenware, make sure you have good quality kitchenware that you're selling, not a bunch of junk. If you're offering some type of service, make sure you're able to deliver on the service. Don't accept payment or anything like that if you're not able to deliver whatsoever. Or if you do accept it and you're not able to deliver, then you should be completely okay with refunding that money to your customer because you were not able to fulfill your parts. So be careful with that kind of stuff. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in another video.